pre-PAs and PAs, it's WendyLew with the Certified PA. I'm actually here to introduce my channel to you. Yeah, as if I wasn't busy enough, I decided to create a YouTube channel to help pre-PAs and PAs get and stay certified. So a little bit about myself is that I have been a certified PA for 1 year. I actually passed the PANCE on my first try last year during the pandemic, so I know how hard and tough it could be to stay focused and motivated. I'm going to share all of those tips and tricks. Also, I'm currently working in rheumatology/pain management as well as pediatrics. Pediatrics is actually very challenging because you see a lot of infectious diseases and little people, you gotta be careful with them. So I hope that you subscribe to take this journey with me, where we'll talk about the PANCE blueprint, break down every single category. We'll talk about testing techniques as well as medical Spanish and a couple of other things. And like I said, please don't forget to subscribe. Share this with a PA friend. Share this with somebody who's interested in being a PA. Share this with somebody who is having a hard time studying. Share this with somebody that should be studying right now but is actually online looking at videos. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.